In this video, I will show you how to equip Flair and Pokemon TCG Pocket. To get started, go ahead and open Pokemon TCG on your device. Make sure you're signed in into your account. Now let's head over to the mission section. So before we proceed with the tutorial, I'll go ahead and claim a few things on the mission section. So I'll just simply click on that complete all button for every section and claim my rewards before we head over into the actual tutorial. So receive a few rewards once you accomplish daily missions in this section. So once you have already claimed your rewards, let's head over back into the homepage of Pokemon TCG. Now head over into the cards list. So click on this. On your cards list, go ahead and select the specific card that you want to obtain Flair. For example, I want to obtain Flair for Mewtwo. Click on that, and as you can see in here, I'll be able to find this obtain Flair button. Click on that obtain Flair button, and to be able to obtain Flair, you'll need to have at least duplicate cards or a shine dust. So if you have a duplicate card for Mewtwo, you'll be able to obtain Flair. You'll also be able to obtain Flair if you have at least 720 shine dust on your Pokemon TCG Pocket. Shine dust can be obtained from cards and mission rewards, and that is how you can basically obtain Flair on Pokemon TCG Pocket. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.